Looking for fast, secure, and reliable WordPress hosting that just works? In this SiteGround review, I'll break down everything you need to know: performance, features, support, pricing, and whether SiteGround is worth your money today. Spoiler alert, there's a reason it's one of the top-rated hosts by WordPress themselves. If you're tired of slow load times, random crashes, or customer support that ghosts you when you need it most, stick around because SiteGround might be the upgrade your website needs. I provide the link in the description below to SiteGround, where you get a SiteGround discount. You will get up to 83% off SiteGround hosting, plus a free domain. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from SiteGround at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome SiteGround discount. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit SiteGround. SiteGround is a premium web hosting company that's officially recommended by WordPress. They specialize in speed, security, and top-tier customer service. It's cloud-based, uses Google Cloud infrastructure, and is known for its rock-solid uptime and performance. Now, SiteGround isn't just about basic web hosting. They actually offer a full suite of services for different types of users, whether you're a blogger, an online store owner, or running an agency. They provide shared hosting, WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, cloud hosting, and reseller hosting. There's even a dedicated option for agencies with tools designed to help manage multiple clients efficiently. Beyond hosting, SiteGround also offers domain registration, a built-in website builder, and even email marketing tools so you can grow your audience and stay connected with your visitors all from one platform. So whether you're just starting out or managing several client sites, SiteGround has the infrastructure and tools to support your growth. One of the standout things about SiteGround is the feature set you get right out of the box. You get their built-in super cacher, which significantly improves site loading times, along with free daily backups, free SSL, and a global CDN to boost performance and security. It's fully managed WordPress hosting, so updates are handled automatically. Plus, their 24/7 expert support via chat and tickets is incredibly responsive. You also get email hosting included, and for developers, there are advanced tools like staging environments, Git integration, and SSH access. Now let's talk about plans and pricing, because SiteGround offers a few different tiers depending on your needs. If you're just getting started with one website, the starter plan is a solid choice. It gives you 10 gigabytes of web space, supports up to 10,000 monthly visits, and is perfect for small websites or personal blogs. Right now, it's available for just $2.99 a month at 83% off, which is a great deal for the value you're getting. If you plan on running multiple websites, go for the Grow Big plan. It includes 20 gigabytes of web space, supports up to 100,000 monthly visits, and unlocks extra features like on-demand backups, 30% faster PHP, and site staging, which is super helpful if you like to test changes before going live. This plan is also 83% off, bringing the price down to just $4.99 a month. For advanced users or growing businesses, the Go Geek plan is the powerhouse. You get 40 gigabytes of web space, support for up to 400,000 monthly visitors, and all the pro-level features like staging plus Git integration, white label client access, free private DNS, priority support, and the highest tier of server resources SiteGround offers. Right now, it's $7.99 a month at 82% off, which is a steal considering the features packed into this plan. Each step up gets you more performance, more flexibility, and more control, so choose based on the size and scale of your website. One thing I really love is how beginner-friendly the dashboard is, while still giving developers the tools they need behind the scenes with the SiteGround Site Tools custom control panel. Let me give you a quick look inside the dashboard so you can see what it's like to actually manage your site on SiteGround. Spoiler, no confusing cPanel here. SiteGround uses its own control panel called Site Tools, and it's incredibly clean and easy to navigate. Everything is laid out clearly, whether you're managing files, setting up backups, adding SSL, or even working with databases, it's all just a few clicks away. When it comes to speed and uptime, SiteGround is in the top tier. With their ultra-fast PHP and NGINX servers, I tested a fully functional website, and the website loaded on average 1.1 seconds in my test. I also ran a performance test, and here are the results from different locations around the world. Since I chose a server based in the US, you'll notice the best speeds are in the US region. That's because it's closest to the data center. You'll see metrics like DNS speed, connection time, TLS, and time to first byte, all showing strong, reliable performance. So is SiteGround worth it? If you're looking for fast, reliable, and secure web hosting, and you're serious about website performance, SiteGround is absolutely worth it. Its competitive pricing, premium features, world-class support, and infrastructure that is built on Google Cloud make SiteGround a great choice. Whether you're a beginner launching your first site or a developer managing client projects, SiteGround delivers a hosting experience that's both powerful and dependable. I hope you enjoyed this SiteGround review. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let me know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more SiteGround hosting tutorial videos.